this is One Block episode 4. So we made in our second episode this unlimited water source. Karthik, what you told you will not talk. So we have one of our iron tickets, 2 iron ingots. That's so cool now, and we have so many animals stuffing right over here. So as you know, in our last episode we saw a traveling trader there. So we are gonna go there and see what is that. Okay, guys. Oh, you got iron ingots? Okay.
Yes, I got 3.
So I think so I'm gonna see what he got for trading. So I'm gonna walk slowly on this bridge. Yes, successful. Okay, trader, what you got? Don't fall off. You are so precious. Also, trade. So he need emeralds. We don't have emeralds. Waste fellow. But we'll get lead for him. That's so nice. But it's night time, so I'm gonna leave him.
See how many animals are here? We need wheat. We need wheat.
You told you got some seeds.
Yes, I placed it in the chest.
Yes, I took it. So I will do farming with that. So that takes. So I'm gonna hold this thing and.
I need repairs.
So in last episode we got a 500 blocks mined. Oh, they got irrigated. One got irrigated so fast. So I just don't step on that wheat.
See this? I can't mine even a single block because of these animals.
No worries. We are.
You move.
Oh, I fell. Oh, you was that? Oh, zombies! Please save me.
I am there for you forever.
You killed a cow too.
It came in middle. What can I do?
See, they're enjoying. We want just this. Okay, smell the iron.
Chest. I found another chest.
What is it? Wait, don't open. I want it.
Cobweb.
Cobwebs.
Just cobwebs.
Okay, we can. No problem. We can make string and we can make wool with that. Yes, string right over here. Yeah, now I can make some wool.
Okay, I'm breaking this chest.
I'm making so many wools. We can make beds for both of us now. But first, I need to take panga with someone.
Traveling.
Okay, mate. Karthik, don't go there. Hey, this is. Yeah. Oh, that was so.
This furnace is a source of light also for us.
Yes. Make some torches also. So I'm gonna go for that skill again.
I'm gonna.
Wait, 2 skeletons. I have iron sword. What to do? 1 skeleton down. Second one down. Yes, I just got it. I got a bow. And that's also very down. Now.
How can I make charcoal? Okay, I need this plant.
Oh, I got a leaf free. I didn't kill anybody and I just pushed the trader without hitting. I got 1 lead. And 1 lead he only took off. 2.
I mean, plants.
Right.
Take this. Out. And go. See this glitch?
Huh?
Did you see this glitch?
Yes, I saw that.
Glitch.
Yeah. It's a pig trophy. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Yes, my pickaxe. Oi. I think so we need to extend our farm. So I need to make place for pumpkins. Wait, did the wheat come? Oh, cow, come on, Mr. Cow. I think so I have to keep pumpkin seeds here. The cave?
Yeah, baby.
Wait, you're only unlocking everything. Chapter 2 and 3, you only unlocked it. I just unlocked 1.
Okay.
I'm
You
gonna
find
make it.
now. I'll see the farm.
Hey, redstone! I got
Diamond.
Yes, I got
Gold. Oh my god, what the hell, dude?
Wait. Yes, I got the diamond and the 5 redstone. That's cool. We got diamond in the third episode. Oh, that's creeper. Oh, no. It did a very big damage. We need to be careful.
Oh shit. कौन है पे वो?
Okay. We need some wood. Fast. Okay, I took some wood.
Oh, good planks.
Oh, that creeper nearly killed me. Oh, I covered the recovery. Just 1 left.
Oh man.
Oh my god, wait to be fast. Okay. We lost the wood now. We don't have any more wood right now.
We don't
Wait,
need this.
Oh, diamond armor! Enchantment table!
Diamond sword.
Oh, hey, give me the diamond sword, please.
Okay, it's your series. I'm gonna give you.
Yes. This is the rare chest. I think so you broke accidentally.
I think so. Shit.
Oh no, creeper, move back. It blew up one chest.
I'm
Ooh.
almost dead. See, damage it is doing.
Okay, wait to cover it up. We will later fix it. Okay, Karthik, move away from it.
Yes, dirt, place dirt.
It's
We
so
don't have any wood
dangerous
now.
too. Actually, I made first it's stylish, but see what happened to it now. It's actually really.
Actually, there must be double chest, no? You take it.
Redstone.
Hey, we lost our resources. There must be double chest.
Why are you beating me? I have diamond armor. If I go down full armor, said gone.
You place it in the chest. Place it in the chest first.
Okay, we will need a place for enchantment table. Don't place it. We don't have a diamond pickaxe. Okay. So I'm gonna place one diamond and golden ore, 3 iron.
Oh, you just threw pumpkin seeds?
I'm sorry.
I mean, normal.
Karthik, just look at me. Hey, we don't have a horse, right? I got horse armor also. Diamond horse armor, that also.
You just place the diamond armor in the chest. We need it so badly.
No, I need it actually. Oh, diamonds, diamonds!
When we find
I got diamonds
the Ender
again.
dragon, we need to kill it using diamond armor. If you follow, we will lose this armor.
Yes, or else but you will take that now. You should not take that, okay? For our sake.
Okay, I am smelting gold. Keep the gold in.
Oh no. Move back. Throw that creeper down.
गिर गया. I just have stone. That's it. I don't have anything valuable. Oh shit!
Oh, I got my all things back.
Creeper, I'm gonna damn kill you.
I think so we need to move the chests because it's so dangerous here. Right?
It's too damn dangerous.
Oh, I got my bow also. Oh, that's so good.
What did you lose?
I do lose my iron pickaxe.
That's
And iron sword. And my iron sword too.
No problem. That iron we have a lot of. Actually, we don't have a lot of iron.
Okay, we need to move the chest because it's too dangerous. Don't mind any blocks till I say.
Okay. Okay, sure.
We need to place a door so nobody enters it.
Actually, we need a lava bucket so damn badly.
We will get the lava here in the caves. Okay, wait. I'm making a room for it because it's too dangerous to go without any safety.
Can I make a door?
Make a door.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, now
We lost our crafting table.
wait, we lost the save. Our seeds also got picked out.
Oh,
We lost the
shit.
crafting table.
Yes.
We're not in the chapter 4, so wood is not so precious right now.
Wood is so precious right now. There's a crafting table in the chest right this second.
Okay, I'm making this room with cobblestone. Okay, mind that block for door. Okay, make 2 doors actually.
Okay, made. Actually, 3. Only we can make 3 doors.
Yes, make 2 doors only. We don't need another extra door.
No, but it comes in a set of 3.
Ah, yes. Did you make it?
Yes.
Make 2 doors. Okay, we need to be careful mining that dialogue block, okay? I lost my pickaxes. You're in the jail? I lost my pickaxe. Okay, we need to move the chests right now. So I will take the items, don't touch it please. I'll make a place for it, still let them mine the blocks. Very carefully. If you see a creeper, close the door and come out. It cannot cross the door, that's why. So, where?
Oh!
What you?
I don't have a stone pickaxe.
Oh no. I lost mine also.
Okay. I can make a stone pickaxe.
Wait,
I can make it.
The place here would be
We
nice.
are safe. I told you to keep that in the chest. That's why we have it now. Otherwise, we used to lose it.
No, we will not lose it because I'm not there because I will wait diamond at that time.
Take the stone pickaxe. I'm giving 100.
Okay, we are making a chest place right
Oh my
over
gosh.
here.
Ganda gichwa be.
What happened?
Okay. I kept one in the chest. Okay. It just village.
Okay, we are making it good. And our we have llamas. If you
I found diamond.
diamonds,
Yes.
keep that in chest. We need this.
No, we need to break it using iron pickaxe. I took 3 iron which is in the chest. I
Wait.
kept 1 iron ore replacing.
Okay, I have a stone pickaxe. Give me the iron pickaxe. I will do the mining work now.
Okay, let me make it first. Sticks and then 1 iron pick.
Throw me.
Which can? This is all yours, buddy.
Okay, I will keep open door because now it's coming. Okay.
I will make some cobblestone slabs.
Okay, need them. Lapis lazuli.
That's not rare, but it's used for enchantment.
Yes. We got redstone. Diamonds again. No, there was lapis. Okay, we got a chest. We got iron ingot, golden apple, and a name tag.
Golden apple replaced by name tag, flesh, bones, coal.
Okay, I'm gonna break the chest.
And powder also.
Yes, we can make TNT to hold you.
And place it here. We need it.
Okay, let's take it down. Oh no! Close the door. Move away from there. There are mobs in there. I'm gonna take care of them.
No creeper. That's right. Okay. No creeper. No we can.
But also, oh, see, it beats me like that. Oh.
Just nicely there, like. God damn it.
Okay, I'm gonna keep the diamonds in the chest. Okay, now we have 3 diamonds actually, and 1 gold name tag, and this 10 lapis lazuli, golden ore, and some seeds, string, chest. So
Golden
we,
ore, I'll take the golden one and smelt it.
don't. Oh, okay. Keep the golden ingots. So it's going to be night time. We need to wait for the mob spawn area.
How much time did I have done until we record the video?
I don't know. Let's start mining.
And quickly.
Please, it's making it come fast. I move from here. You're collecting every lapis lazuli. Mobs can spawn. Just move away.
Okay, I'll make a stone sword.
Make it. It will come in handy. Whenever diamonds. That's it.
Wood is so precious, so precious. Don't waste wood.
Okay, now wood.
Guys, that's why we should not cut down trees.
Okay, we can grow trees now. Then we will get now some unlimited wood-like thing. We will grow trees.
Okay.
Okay, we do not go there. And we'll make our platform here. Give me some wood. Oh, we don't have wood.
Wait. Okay.
Need a place, that's all.
I'll keep all the items there.
Okay, we'll grow trees.
You get the diamonds in the double chest, no?
Yes, wait, move the chest in the place I made.
That has to get cut, no?
Give me the dirt.
Wait, I don't. There's one quarter in the chest.
Okay, give me that sapling what you found.
It's in the chest.
It's not in the chest, there's seeds. Yeah, I found sapling. So now our
Take it
wood.
out behind you.
Okay, have the sapling. I have the sapling.
Okay, I'll go mining.
Oh, we
Yeah,
can go.
mine.
We kept one sapling. Now wood is.
Oh, creeper!
Go back! See, that stone one saved our chests. We need to move them fast.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Goddamn creeper.
Okay. What? Wait, I will make another chest there. So we will keep some unnecessary dirts and everything.
Skeleton and creeper spawned at a time and the creeper killed the skeleton.
Oh wow, that's so cool. Okay, I'll take some
Wait.
wood and make
Okay.
make a chest. I'll make a chest there. Wait, we can make shields. That's cool. Yeah. So this chests take the place. Okay, I need to make another platform right over here. The mobs are not spawning because it's not too far there.
I need some blocks.
Okay, don't go near that place. So I'm gonna keep the chest and then transport it. Transport the dirt and everything. Dirt, stone, every unusual thing.
Every expensive thing first to done.
No.
Like diamond.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Say what is necessary. Actually,
Blocks. Let's transport blocks there.
just dirt and stone transport in that chest.
Gravel, granite.
Yes, that's all. That also. See what I kept. You see and tell me. So guys, I think so. We ran out of time for this video. I'm so sorry. We made we completed one chapter. I think so in this video. And in our next video, I think so the tree will come. So we'll make a tree farm. And we'll make an enchantment table. I think so. So see you guys in the next episode. Make sure you like to my channel.